Variables. Variables are containers for data. They can be named almost anything. There are not many restrictions except that the first character of your variable name cannot be a digit. Variables are equivalent to a certain value, which can be a string or a number. Think of variables as boxes. Imagine that you're moving out of your parents' house. You'll have to pack all your stuff into boxes. Some of them contain shoes or books or clothes you definitely should have thrown out years ago. Variables are kind of like that. To avoid a cluttered text editor, a single box can contain a numerical value, a string of just one word, or the first 10 pages of The Hobbit. How do we declare variables? In Python, there is no specific command or keyword for creating a variable. You simply assign a value to something and then print it. Here are some examples. Let's assign the value of 7 to x and the string cake to y as shown in our code. Then print x and y using the print function. This should print 7 and cake. X and y here are what we call variables. We assign the values of a number and a string to x and y. In the next example, instead of inputting values manually, we use variables to automatically replace parts of our text. Consider this code. Now, what if we want to change our story? Instead of cakes, my new favorite food is pizza. And what if Joe and I had a fight? Now I'll be eating my pizza with a new friend. Let's call her Tina. Tina prefers drinking soda. Let's change milkshakes to soda. Should we change every single word per line of code? That would probably take a while, so let's declare our variables. Then, we'll add these variables to the strings using a convenient trick called string concatenation. Like math, you can add strings using the addition symbol or the addition operator. Be careful with whitespace and punctuation. Let's go to our first line of code. Change cakes to the variable favorite_food. Again, don't forget about your spaces and punctuation marks. It should print I like pizza on the console. Did you get it right? Okay, let's try the other lines of code. Using our variables and string concatenation, we can change the sentences. Let's write the code. Running the code would print, I like eating cakes with my friend Tina. And we like to drink soda too. Let's have a quick recap. In this video, we learned about variables, declaring variables, and using variables to change data. That's it for today. In the next lesson, we will be talking about syntax and errors. See you there!